Dear woman, looking in the glass, watching all the seasons pass, you see the silver.
Watch these hands move. Every snip of the shears isn't just shortening a strand. It's revealing a face. For many women, crossing into their 50s or 60s is often felt as a season of loss.
He's wiping away all your fears. She thought her beauty was gone and lost, but she didn't count the heavenly cost. A new birth is rising, a light in the dark. The Creator is lighting a brand new spark. Radiant, we are radiant in His eyes, like a morning star in the sun.
Here on our special space, time doesn't take away, but reveals. You've seen glimpses of these transformations in our shorter moments. But today, I wanted to bring you something deeper. This is a collection of stories of women who decided to embrace their silver roots and reclaim their radiance. As you watch these faces change, I invite you to feel the peace that settles when we finally stop fighting the seasons and start trusting the journey.
Every scar is a victory song. So lift your head, let the silver shine. You are a masterpiece, divinely designed, from the roots of the earth to the gates of gold. A beauty that never, ever grows old. Stay focused on the light. He's with you through the night. Have faith in the sun.
This haircut isn't just about style. It's a celebration of the person you've become. Remember, as we shed the old and embrace the new, there is a deeper restoration happening. It's the moment we stop hiding behind trends to let our true essence shine through.
Kettle's on the stove again. Rain is tapping at my door. Every corner knows my name. Never needed something more. Blanket soft against my skin. All the noise just fades away. I used to run from
When working with these rich, storied Afro textures, you realize that nothing is ever truly finished. A haircut is a new beginning. It's a mirror of our own journey. My goal is to remind every mature woman that she is a masterpiece, fearfully and wonderfully made. If you believe that every woman and man deserves to feel radiant and seen, please subscribe now and join our growing family of grace. Let's begin this journey of light and beauty together.